Are you looking to add checkboxes to your PDF files for easier form filling, feedback collection, or document editing in Adobe Acrobat? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to insert interactive checkboxes, step by step, using Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know not only how to add checkboxes, but also how to customize and test them to fit your needs, whether you're working on forms for work, school, or personal projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Simply launch Acrobat and load up the file you want to edit. Make sure it's the correct document because you'll be adding interactive elements directly to this file. Don't worry if you've never edited a PDF before. Acrobat is designed to make this process pretty intuitive. Next, head up to the Tools tab at the top of the screen. This is where Acrobat keeps all the powerful features for editing and organizing your PDFs. Look for Prepare Form among the options and give that a click. Acrobat might try to help you out by automatically scanning your document for part of a form. If it does, you'll see a prompt to get started. So just click Start. Even if Acrobat finds existing fields, you'll still be able to add new checkboxes exactly where you want. Now, you'll see a fresh toolbar appear along the top of your document pane. This is your main control center for form elements. Here's where you find the checkbox icon. It usually looks just like a square box with a little check mark inside. Go ahead and click that. Drag your mouse over to the spot in your document where you want the checkbox to go. You can simply click once for the standard size, which works well in most cases, but if you want a larger or smaller checkbox, you can click and drag to set its size, kind of like drawing a box with your mouse. If you're adding multiple checkboxes for a survey or a checklist, try to keep your boxes aligned for a neat and professional look. Don't worry if you need to move one later. You can always adjust placement before saving. Here comes the customization part, which is optional but worth exploring for your document's clarity and visual appeal. Double-click on your newly placed checkbox, and a window called Checkbox Properties pops up. Let's go through the tabs together. In the General tab, you can give your checkbox a meaningful name, especially helpful if you have several so you know which is which, and even add a tooltip. This little helper text shows up when someone hovers over the box, guiding them on what to do. Pop over to the Appearance tab, where you can choose colors for the border and fill, and adjust the thickness. This is great for matching your checkbox to your brand colors or making it stand out in a dense form. In the Options tab, select the style for your checkmark: traditional check, circle, cross, or even a star. Pick something recognizable and useful for your audience, and decide if you want the box to be checked by default when someone opens the form. Once you're happy with these details, just click Close or OK to save your changes. Don't worry, you can always come back and tweak them later. Before you finish up, it's important to test your new checkbox. Look for the Preview button in the top right corner. This lets you interact with your checkbox just as your users will. Click it to check and uncheck the box and make sure it works smoothly. If you need to fix anything, exit Preview, edit, and check again. Finally, save your document to lock in your interactive checkbox. Remember, saving ensures all your hard work is preserved and ready for anyone to use. And that's all there is to it, Ed. Your PDF is now upgraded with interactive checkboxes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I do my best to reply and help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Adobe Acrobat tips and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.